How to add someone on Google Chat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chat on your device. Make sure you're logged in to Google Chat. After you're logged into your account, click on the plus sign at the bottom right corner of your screen to add someone. After you've clicked on the plus sign, here at the top in the search bar, type in the person's email. Then press on search. It will search their email. Click on the email. Then press on done at the top right. After you've clicked on done at the top right, you'll find them in Google Chat. Here you can type in the message you want and it will be delivered to them. And after they reply back, you guys will be added. This is how to add someone on Google Chat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.